What's going on, guys? It's Sean and I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about commercial insurance, and I'm also going to give you a few items that you could scale your business up and make a lot more money. So stay tuned and do not change that channel. It's your boy Miami Sean, and we're about to get into this video. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, smash that like button until there's no more like button left. So support your boy and subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna tell you how to make some more money, and pretty much we're gonna get into the video right now. See you guys. Hey. So first off, I want to give you guys an update on a few insurance plays that you could use. Pretty much, I'm working with an insurance company called Skylake. I got insured with them with 3 new jet skis. Pretty much, yeah, I had to pay about $3,800 just for the down payment. And for the extra 9 months, we're going to be paying about $1,600 a month. It's for 3 jet skis. It sounds like a lot, but guys, trust me, you make a lot more money pretty much with these jet skis. So even 2 days could pay for your insurance when you're in this jet ski business. So pretty much, I just want to give you an update that you could go ahead and use Prime insurance, Prime commercial insurance. Pretty much, you know, that's what everybody's using. It's pretty much one of the easiest one to get to. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some information in the description below so you guys could contact Williams. He's with Skylake Insurance. He could get you that insurance. So I'm gonna leave his number, and also I'm gonna give you, you know, his email address so you could go ahead and talk to him. You could also tell him Sean sent you, you know what I'm saying, you know, just to return the gratitude. So yeah, I'm gonna pretty much be leaving the information down below, and also we're gonna be getting into a few items that could make you a lot more money. And first off, we're gonna be starting off with the simple jet ski goggles, as you can see here. You know, a few simple goggles, it might run you about maybe say $15 to $20, and you could go ahead and rent these out for $5 with your jet skis. You know, it sounds like a little bit, but trust me, it will pay itself off, and that $5 for the whole month, that could be your gas money pretty much to fuel up your jet skis and all, you know. So take a look at it. You could just get a couple of these, you know, pretty much 2 for every jet ski. So if you have 2 jet ski, 4 is enough, you know. And if you rent 4 out, that's a quick $20 added on. So yeah, guys, check it out. These are really cool. They look cool when you're riding the jet skis, and also it protect your eyes from the salt water. And you know, pretty much it's just a beautiful glasses. And definitely you can rent these out for $5 with every jet ski you put out. And also I'm gonna be showing you a couple more. So pretty much we're gonna be starting off with the music box. Pretty much I got these from T-Mobile. They're about $100 a piece. You could go ahead and put these for about $15 to $20 extra, you know, for, you know, an hour ride or whatever. You could even go $10 as well. It's a great investment. I got them with T-Mobile, as you can see. They're really dope. They're waterproof, you know, not too heavy. You could put it on the, you know, the life vest and stuff like that, hang it off. They're really loud, and you know, it's just a fun experience to have these out there on the water, listening to some music, and you know, just enjoying the waves, you know. So yeah, I'm just hoping you guys can get a good look at it. These music, they're really strong. They're shockproof, waterproof. They're just great, you know, and they're very loud and they're amazing. So, you know, yeah. And pretty much we're gonna be starting off with the big boy. On every jet ski, we put these on as well. Customers could rent these 20 to 30 bucks per jet skis. And this is the GoPro. It's 4K. We also give you 16 gig memory chip. You know, pretty much could last you up to an hour and a half, 2 hours on a recording, and our customer seems to enjoy these, and it's pretty much 4K as well, guys. It's just another great experience. They could, you know, do some videos for their own YouTube or their family, you know, just to show the experience on what they did when they were out there on the jet skis. It's really, you know, it's just really great. These will run you about $180 per GoPro. So, you know, so they're actually great. I use them myself too to create dope videos. They're amazing. And last but not least, well, I got one more to show you. And these here are, you know, towels, for example. When you're out there and you're sweating, they could really keep you cool. We do these for like $5. You know, we could sell them to the customers and stuff. So pretty much we would pay about, you know, $7 for 4. And, you know, we could sell them to the customers for $5 each. You know, it's a cooling towel. They actually keep you cool when it's hot out there. So, you know, they're really dope. Our customers seems to enjoy them. They buy them for $5, and they're amazing pretty much. They also come in this waterproof case as well. You know, it has your little hook here. You could go ahead and hook it on your jet skis as well when you're out there. They're amazing, guys. Check this out. They're really dope. Yeah, guys. So get your cooling towels as well. Our customers really enjoy that. You can see them right there. You know, just let them know you have them, guys. You know, hey, you know, I got the GoPros, music box goggles, wet towels if you want, and also #1 seller is these. We actually sell them for $7, you know, to the customers and stuff like that. This is, you know, pretty much, it helps you to protect yourself from the sun, you know, so this is great sunscreen and all that stuff. You know, customers, they really enjoy this. Sometimes they forget theirs, and, you know, we have them, so they'll purchase them from us. You could get these from the dollar store for $1, sell them for $5, you know, $10, whatever you feel like, you know, you want to, you know, earn from these. And as you can see, you know, with all of these, you know, it does adds up. Pretty much a month you could make an extra $1,000, you know, an extra $800, $700. You know, that could go towards your maintenance. That could go towards your insurance if you have any. That could go towards your gas. You know, so pretty much it's not bad. You know, you could use all these stuff. I'm gonna be giving you guys an update on some other products that you could use to scale your business and make that extra money, you know. And trust me, guys, they do work. You just need to get stuff that people actually want, you know. And pretty much that's it. You know, I'm just giving you guys an update how to scale your business, you know, so you don't have to dip in your actual money you made for your jet skis to pretty much pay for gas and stuff like that. You could use little items like that to cover that stuff every month. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna give you guys another update soon. So if you haven't already, again, please leave a like and subscribe to your boy's channel. It does help the channel out, and you know, we're gonna be dropping some more videos, so stay in tune. Thank you, and I'm out. Peace.